Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is display the prime number between range. That is the today's topic. We can discuss today's topic. First, you can create the class. Right click the package, select new and select class. We need to give the prime number range. Prime number range. Click finish. Class is created. Main method. Here I will write one method. First we need to check the prime number or not. First I will write the logic of check prime number or not. Public boolean check prime. Here we need to pass integer value. Here I will write boolean bol equal to int stream dot range. I will use range method. Previously I used range close method. Now I am using range method. I use a range method and we can check this one. Two comma a value. We need to give a value dot non-match. Here giving I implies I a divided by I equal to 0. So this is the value. This is returning. I will write direct return value here only. Why need to do again these things? I will write return directly. I will return the value. Now here I am going int start is equal to 0, int end equal to 10. I am giving 10 value. End, start and end. Now we can check the value. Need to display the list format. That's why we can use the list value, list of integers. You can use it here, list of integers list equal to, I'm using int stream only, int stream dot range, start value, end value, dot filter x implies, I am calling this one check prime. So I will write the static means it will come here. Otherwise we need to create object check prime. What is the x value? You are passing x dot box. We need to convert the streams format. Actually this is not a stream format, that's why I need to convert to stream format, and that's why we are using box method. Now I will use collect. Here collectors dot to list. That means I need to convert the list format. That's why I am using to list, collector dot to list. Now display the numbers. Display prime numbers. Here we can give list value. Now you can check what is the output will come here, and this is working or not, this logic first. See, now is coming output. Here providing starting value is 0 and ending value is 10. First I need to check the value here. Between range means range and range close, two methods is there in stream. Range means we can start 0 and end with 9. End with 9. That means we need to uh, give the end value, how many values we need to use. Based on that one we need to give the end value for. You can use range. Range close means not like that. Range close means you can give starting value, ending value, it will come starting to ending. I will tell small example. Suppose range value I am giving range value I am giving 1 to 10. Oh, sorry, 1 to 5 I will give. This is a better, easy to understand. I am giving 1 to 5. That means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 is display. Range close means not like that. A range close we are giving 1 comma 5 means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. It display like this. That means range close means starting value, ending value both will display. But range not like that. Range will display starting value only, ending value will not display. Will not use ending value. You can use before value only. Like that we are using in stream range and range close. You can use range this way also. We can use to check the prime numbers. We can use range. This is one of way we need to implement the prime numbers in between range. I have some of the examples in my YouTube channel. Prime number any match. We need to check the prime number using any match method. That video is available in my YouTube channel. And check the prime number using non-match method, that is also available in my YouTube channel. That is two ways to check the prime numbers, and you can use this way. This way also one of the way to implement the prime number. That means you can check the prime numbers. We can that means we can providing more videos for Java technologies. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box. Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.